Alright, so we've just been moving along here, and there was a transit set up, and I went through and did the exterior board on the transit, or the interior board on the transit over there. Then around here I did the exterior board, just because it's a little bit easier to do that, the boards I had on hand. But the point is, you want to get out of the inside or the outside level using the transit. That way you know it's all good. Then you can come in here with a level, like I'm doing right here. And basically what I'm going to do is, since I know that this is level, I'm just going to take this, and I still need to level this inside board. You can see it's off a little bit, maybe. And that's because it's not nailed into that stake. So what I'm going to do is lift up on it, put a nail in, and then I'll tap it down to level. And there's a pretty easy way to do that. Just take your hammer, hook it under your board, then you lift on it, and while you're lifting on it, you've put a nail in the hole on the stake, and you just tap it real quick with the other hand with your sledge. Then you put your sledge on the inside and finish it off with your hammer. And what that's going to do is it's going to make it so you're not messing up your forms. And of course you're going to want to have a pair of bags for this. And then you can just go and finish up that middle pockets there. And all I really have to do is just this last little bit of footing for the perimeter footings. This is the last little bit of forms I have left to complete. Then I have to do the pony wall footings. And I've got them tied in here to the main footings, and I'm going to do the same thing in the back, and that's just to really keep the integrity of the whole footing system. And I've got this piece of rebar here. If you notice, it's a little bit longer than the others, and that's because it's designed to be my ground. So my meter box is actually on the house right over there, and that's going to end up right here. That's going to be sticking through the floor, and that's what's going to ground the electrical system. And that is actually tied, that's a 20-foot rebar stake. It's tied, goes around that corner, and it's connected to both of the two pieces of rebar that are running through the whole footings. Yeah, so that's where we're at, and I just got to pour. So done about half the pouring so far, and I'm hoping I can finish the rest here in the next couple days. So that'll be good. And then I just got to line up the house and back it on in.